Here are the ceiling fans I have installed as of October 2022. There will be more in the near future. There's only two right now, so it's kind of like what I would have shown at the other house, but there's two, and I'm getting a lot of requests to show it, so here it is. We are getting close to the point where I'll be installing more. I just have to keep working on the boxes. I've moved about half of the ceiling fans over so far. I got some more to do on that front too. But anyways, here in the living room we have the Hampton Bay Marco Polo Emperor, which just looks absolutely phenomenal in this room. It matches perfectly. It's just great. It's a phenomenal install. It works well, and it's great. I thought about a lot of fans to put in here first when I bought the house, and I settled on this one, and it was a perfect choice because it looks great in the room. So we'll go ahead and turn this on. This is a low speed. It's a nice quiet, slow low. Actually, all the speeds are pretty quiet on this thing. And this is where it typically sits most of the time, is to push the heat down off the ceiling. The other fan is in the computer room. This is a Hampton Bay Genoa, which I believe is a couple of years after the one that's in the living room. This one is flush mounted. I need to change it because I don't like flush mount, and it hinders the performance drastically. Although in here, this is a pretty small room. Even on low, this thing pushes the air pretty good in here. I'll turn it on. And this one too just kind of sits on low to move the heat around. This room gets warm, so sometimes I'll push it up to medium. It's a very powerful fan. Both of these are, you know, for basic economy models, both of these things rip. And that's it. It's already up to speed, and it's pushing a lot of air. So those are the two fans I have installed as of now. There will eventually, in the relatively near future, I'd say even by the end of the month, we'll have a fan in here. Well, actually not by the end of the month, because that's really soon. By the end of the year, we should have a fan in here. There'll be 3 fans in here, 2 in the middle, and then 1 over there by the door. We'll have 2 fans in the hallway, a fan in the bathroom. Well, that's going to take more work because I got to move the exhaust fan over. And I kind of want the fan, you know, right around here in the center, and then I'll move the exhaust fan over. I don't want to hide it. It's a cool fan. So I'll move the exhaust fan over to where the shower is. And then we'll also have 2 fans in the kitchen. And then eventually later on, I mean, in this next year probably, I'll start putting fans downstairs too, but and in the garage, but I really gotta do the living space first.